Hi, welcome to another Eco Sports video. Parkrun's been cancelled because of COVID-19. How am I going to keep motivated doing my Saturday morning run? So I admit, without Parkrun, it's been really hard to be motivated doing my Saturday runs. It's hard to get out of bed in the morning on a Saturday. So I found a virtual social distancing parkrun site on Facebook. So you basically do your 5k run anywhere. It doesn't have to be at a parkrun location. And then post it to the virtual Facebook site. So it just gives a bit more motivation to keep you going until eventually parkrun can start again. So it's going to be quite a few months until it's going to start again. So I've got some music playing in my headphones too. I usually don't have headphones for parkrun, so you can hear the volunteers' directions, but it just gives a bit more motivation too. I'll just wait for the Fitbit Ionic to get its signal. Ready to go. Balmy 5 degrees Celsius at the moment. It could be colder, so I can't complain. It's good physical distancing today. No one's out. Must be the cold weather. More beautiful autumn colour leaves. Time to turn around now. That's 4 kilometres, one more to go for 5k's. There you have it, 5 kilometres done. For those of you that don't know, Parkrun's a weekly 5 kilometre event worldwide, run by volunteers on Saturday mornings. But the last few months it's been cancelled because of COVID. So the emphasis is just on fun and fitness. You can run it, jog it, or even walk it. So there's no winners, it's all about doing your personal best. For those that haven't been to a parkrun, I'll put some footage of some previous ones so you know what it's all about. You didn't have to do that until it's done. I know, it's all good.
Thank you. Send you off on your run or your walk? Of course. Have a great run. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
So even if you just do 5 kilometres running or walking once a week, that's still better than nothing on your way to getting fit. And it's good to have a regular routine, do the same thing every week. So even though parkrun's not officially running, I'm still doing a virtual parkrun and got that motivation to keep going. So I think it's time for some breakfast now. Nice porridge breakfast for a cold, wintry sort of morning. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Hope it gave you a bit of motivation to get out there and do some exercise once a week or whatever. Even if it's for a virtual cause like the virtual parkrun social distancing site. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, helps my channel, subscribe to ecopenny, and I'll see you next time.